ClearTax has launched an exclusive product to help startups navigate through the entire tax framework while setting up their businesses. We do have Archit Gupta, founder and CEO of ClearTax, here to tell us how their new program will make life easier for startups. Listen in.
Founders, when they're getting started, right, setting up their business and figuring out how to go about doing the taxes and all the compliance bits like whether VAT, service tax, etc., what is applicable, all that is a nightmare. Many people either leave it, like they don't actually touch it and do anything about it till like some event happens, or they actually struggle or try to find a CA uncle in the neighborhood or find a reference person in the offline world and try to get something done, and then it's a matter of a crapshoot. Like it's basically luck to find a good CA firm which understands the nuances of the problem they're dealing with and helps them with the problem they are having. So I think like in the offline world, again, information asymmetry and lack of transparency in pricing also. The ClearTax Startup Program, which we are launching today, I'm really excited about it because as a founder, I personally faced these issues. Even though like my father is a CA and a partner at a CA firm, like still it was incredibly challenging because I didn't know what to do, what all registrations I have to do, what is the process, what is the pricing, etc. So when it comes to the ClearTax Startup Program for a founder, it's a one-click, one-stop comprehensive platform on which they basically get a very simple consult on which kind of legal entity they should register. So we'll try to figure out the ambition of this company in terms of whether these guys are a consultancy business or whether these guys are like trying to raise VC money or trying to go for a public listing, etc. Right? So after that, the entire process of incorporation, the entire director, setting up the DIN, digital signatures, everything is taken care of. And then once the legal entity is set up, then the follow through of getting the tax registrations, making sure all the paperwork is correctly set up, all the shareholder agreements, etc. All of that is covered within the package. And there we have a add-on like which I believe we needed, and that's what we are offering. We are offering like we've done partnerships with HDFC Bank, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank to provide commercial banking which allows for zero balance in the bank account at least for the first year, so that a startup is dealing with like a lack of cash flow, doesn't have enough revenue in the beginning especially. So for a startup like for the founder, the cost is about rupees 20,000, which includes all the government filing fees, digital signatures, the applications to various tax departments and the application to the company, registrar of companies, etc. So it covers all of that. So it's a flat, transparent price. So we're not looking to give you a like very attractive sticker price and keep tagging on fees. So it's a very transparent price. The other part is like once you pay, like it's basically a 20-day window in which we try to cover like the filing part and the registration and the entire incorporation part and get you going for your business. Demonetization, definitely there's a strong boost in both the traffic and so about a 3x rise in traffic and about like the same rise in the purchase of packages on ClearTax, like about a 3x rise. What we discovered was like a lot of people, especially small traders like housewives, like fitness instructors, gym owners, like very small use cases where they have cash income coming in and they want to report it, self-report it, and then pay those taxes and get into the mainstream economy. So I think many of these people may not have filed taxes before, and all of that income is well accounted for, legitimate income that they just want to declare to the government, and like the tax incidence is also very small in most of these cases, but their savings built up in cash and they're generally worried. So I think we are helping alleviate that concern. So it's been like the impact is pretty strong, and I think it will sustain. Like if you look at like from an 18 to 24 month window, more people will be in the tax network because they will start paying taxes because cash. As cash gets tracked better, etc. Also, this also impacts from a legal this ClearTax Startup Program also, right? Like as cash gets demonetized and more people use digital payments, so you need a legal entity and a bank account to accept those card swipes or get those online payments. To that end, we even tied up with payment gateways to which have waived off setup fees as part of our partnership, like so that the startup actually does not take a hit on their capital. And we have done a partnership with Google, for example, to offer the docs, spreadsheets and at a discount. So we're pretty excited about this because as a founder, like I was looking for this. So we are solving what I believe founders will be really excited about.